The Forest Guardians, a tale of teamwork and survival. In a big green forest, animals lived together under tall trees. There were many kinds of animals: deer, squirrels, rabbits, monkeys, bears, birds, and more. They all lived their own lives, but one day they had to work together to stay safe. One morning, Kavi the owl saw the dark clouds in the sky. The wind was getting stronger and she knew a big storm was coming. She hooted loudly from her tree. Everyone, listen! A big storm is coming. We need to get ready. All the animals came to the big clearing in the middle of the forest. There was Ravi, the strong deer, Meera, the clever squirrel, Leela, the fast rabbit, Rohan, the playful monkey, and even Bhima, the big old bear. The storm will bring heavy rain and strong winds, Kavi said. The river might flood and trees might fall. We must work together to stay safe. The animals started to think of the way to help. Meera said, let's gather food and keep it in a safe place. Bhima said, I can move heavy logs to block the flood water. Leela and Rohan said, we will run around and make sure everyone knows where to hide. Everyone agreed to work together. Even the small and shy animals wanted to help. Meera quickly climbed trees and collected nuts and seeds. Ravi used his strong antlers to dig small channels to guide the water away from their homes. Bhima and Rohan pushed logs to the river bank to make a barrier. Leela ran fast, checking on the small animals like birds and mice, helping them find safe places. Even Pia, the porcupine, and Tara, the turtle, helped. Pia used her sharp quills to fix the logs in place, and Tara helped fish find deeper water when the river started to rise. When the storm came, it was very loud and scary. The wind howled, rain poured down, and the river rose high. But the animals' hard work saved them. The food stayed dry in a big hollow tree. The log barriers stopped the water from flooding their homes. Kavi stayed awake all night watching and guiding the others. The next morning the storm was gone. The forest was wet but the animals were safe. They came out of their hiding places and cheered for their teamwork. We did it, Ravi said. We helped each other and that made us strong. From that day on, the animals became close friends. They called themselves the forest friends and promised to always help each other, no matter what happened. And so, the forest became a happy place where everyone cared for one another, proving that working together makes everything better. So, kids, moral of the story is working together and helping each other in times of need make us strong and helps us overcome even the toughest challenges. Teamwork and kindness can create a safe and happy community. So, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more fun and moral stories. Thank you. Bye.